Hello guys, so this tutorial is a bit different. We'll be creating our Nigerian tribal mark, and if you would like to see how I did this, keep on watching. So first things first, I'll be clearing up her face, and I'm using 99% alcohol to do this, and the reason is I need the skin to be free from any oil residue. The main product we'll be using in today's tutorial is our Lindy Sfx rigid collodion, and this is the main thing we'll be using to achieve this effect, and I'll be using this precise brush to apply this product. And with the help of my brow pencil, you can use any cheap brow pencil you have. I'm going to map out where I would be applying our rigid collodion, so this is going to make it easier for me to have a precise application of the product. So you can create whatever tribal marks you want. There are tons and tons of tribal mark design that you can recreate. So this is what I'm coming up with, and I'll be doing it on the other side of her face, making sure that it aligns with the side I've already drawn. So just take your time when you're doing this. So this particular video was requested by one of my subscribers, and she said she has never seen a tutorial on how to create our Nigerian tribal mark, and I was like, okay, this is absolutely the best time and the best opportunity to actually showcase this. So if you have any effect makeup you would like me to showcase, you can always reach out to me on our comment section. So now I'm using my brush to apply the product, and I'm just going into the marks I've already created. So you see why it was safer and it was easier and faster for me to actually use my brow pencil to map out the lines that I want. So you can make yours broader, you can make it thinner, whatever design you want. So this product is going to make the skin shrink. So when it dries down, the skin is going to shrink and it's going to have a dent. So that dent would now indicate that tribal mark effect. Okay, you can also use this product to create old scars, and I'm going to do another tutorial on how to recreate that, or to create that instead. So yeah, so I'm just using this product and I'm going into the lines I've already created. Our product is available for sale. If you would love to try your hand on this special effect makeup, you can send us a DM on our Instagram page and we will ship the product straight to you. Do subscribe to our channel. We release good content on special effect makeup, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to see my video when I release them. So right now I'll be fanning it down so it gets completely dry, and this is the first layer we have applied, and you can see that it is already coming out perfect. You can leave it at this, or if you want it deeper you can apply another level just like I'm doing right now. So it was okay, but I just wanted it to get a bit deeper. And always make sure that before you go on with the next step, make sure that the first layer is completely dry before you move on to the next level. Okay, so you can see this is coming out really good, and I'm already loving the effect. So just like I said, you can make it bigger, you can make it thinner, whichever you want to recreate. Thank you guys for watching this, and I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you recreate this, tag us on our Instagram or TikTok page. Bye.